So today, you'll be learning how to clone apps on your OnePlus 13. So by cloning an app, it basically allows you to have two accounts on your OnePlus 13 at the same time, which means that you don't have to keep signing out of that specific account every time someone wants to use your phone. So in order for you to clone an app, you need to start by opening the Settings app. Then under Settings, you need to go to the section labeled Apps and tap on it. And then tap on App Cloner. So I have Instagram currently installed, and all I need to do to clone Instagram is just tap on it and then select Create App Clone by tapping on the toggle. Once that's happening, I've successfully cloned Instagram. So I can choose to change the name. So currently by default, it's the app name and then clone in brackets. So I can just tap on it and then type in something different. And then ensure that you tap on save if you've chosen to do this. And you can also choose to customize this default app to open. So you can say always ask original app or app clone. It's completely up to you. And so once you've cloned an app, you then want to look for Instagram or that app that you've cloned in this apps library. And then you should see the app clone right next to it. So because I've changed the name of the clone, then you can actually be able to tell the difference. But if you've kept the app name the same, then you can always just look for this clone icon right on top of that right on top of the clone, so that you can tell the difference between the original and the clone. And then from here, you can just launch the app and then log in with the secondary account details. You'll notice that not all apps are able to be cloned on your phone, so ensure that you're using a supported app. But there's also a section labeled Other Apps that allows you to give different clones for different apps, such as TikTok. If you have a game, then maybe it's supported and you can clone your game and all sorts of things. But bear in mind that because they're in this section, it means that the clone app might not work as perfectly as the original because of adaptation issues. So if you choose to clone a game, remember that it might not work the exact same way as the original. So it's completely up to you to decide which app you want to clone and all sorts of things. If you're ready to delete your cloned app, you can just go back to the home screen, long press on that cloned app, then select uninstall, or you can just come back and then tap on the toggle next to that cloned app, confirm that you wish to delete the clone, and the clone will be uninstalled from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.